Welcome to our video on farming Muscovy ducks. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore all aspects of raising these unique ducks, from choosing the right breed to marketing your products. Whether you're a beginner or experienced farmer, we have got you covered. Let's dive into the world of Muscovy duck farming. Muscovy ducks, scientifically known as Carina moschta, are native to South America and are renowned for their distinctive appearance and excellent foraging abilities. They boast black feathers, large wattles, and a unique musky odor. Muscovy ducks are relatively low maintenance and can thrive in various climates. Why raise Muscovy ducks? There are plenty of compelling reasons to raise Muscovy ducks on your farm. They lay large, white eggs rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a nutritious addition to your diet. Their dark and flavorful meat is highly sought after for gourmet dishes. Additionally, Muscovy ducks have a thick layer of down, which can be used for insulation and pillows. Moreover, they are excellent pest controllers, feasting on insects and snails that could harm your garden. Choosing the right breed. When starting with Muscovy ducks, you'll need to select the right breed for your farm. There are two main varieties: the standard Muscovy duck, weighing between 10 and 15 pounds, and the smaller miniature Muscovy duck, weighing between 5 and 7 pounds. Consider your farm's needs and resources when making your choice. Housing and environment. For your Muscovy ducks' well-being, provide them with a spacious and well-ventilated co-op. Each duck should have a nesting box, and ensure the co-op and run are predator-proof. Muscovy ducks also enjoy access to clean water, so set up a reliable water source for them. Feeding and nutrition. Muscovy ducks are omnivores and have diverse dietary needs. Offer them a balanced diet of commercial duck feed, supplemented with fruits, vegetables, and insects. Proper nutrition is key to their overall health and productivity. Health and care. Keeping your Muscovy ducks in good health is essential for a successful farm. While they are generally hardy birds, it's crucial to vaccinate them against common diseases like duck cholera and avian influenza. Regular health checks and good hygiene practices will ensure their well-being. Marketing and selling. As your Muscovy duck farm flourishes, you'll want to market your products effectively. Consider selling their eggs, meat, down, and even ducks as pets. Local markets, online platforms, and social media can be great avenues for showcasing your Muscovy duck products. Farming Muscovy ducks can be a gratifying and profitable venture. Their versatility, hardiness, and unique qualities make them a valuable addition to any farm. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to embark on your Muscovy duck farming journey. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others interested in duck farming. For more engaging content on modern agriculture and farming practices, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy farming!